Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I having one streamer. It is brand wise Jiffy Brand from USA. This is model wise J4000 1500 watts streamer. This streamer having problem while we are giving power at the same time power breaker dripping because this we know the problem. It is 100% its heater gone because of that only dripping. But anyway, we have to remove and check what is the problem exactly. It is with the heater or otherwise thermostat. Sometimes it's burning. Internal wire. Because of that we have to remove first. After that only we can decide. We will remove and check what is the problem exact. To remove this steam hose, and we have to use adjustable. And also we have to remove this water inlet here. Now we have to remove this two. Yes, we can remove like that. Also this one also. Yes, we remove, and we have to turn it upside down, and careful it is. Sometimes it will be water here, but at the moment this tank empty, boiler is empty. Now we can remove first this one, two, three, four screws. Yes, like that we can take. Now we can take here. Now it look like no any wire, nothing wire shortage. Now we can check here heater connection. I'm going to remove, and now we can check this one gone or not. It's continuity showing. Now it's not showing with the body. Here we cannot. It's not showing. It's not showing with the ground, but continuity showing 35.9 ohms. If I'm with the heater while I'm giving power, it's power dripping. Because of that, when I'm checking with the without heater, it is power not dripping. Because of that, we know 100% problem with the this heater gone. Because of that, we will remove the this part, and we will check heater. Now we have to remove here. We have to remove. We have to disconnect all the harness from the. Now I already disconnected. And because here not more wires, these two connections is coming through the this yellow. This is the power connection. It's coming to the thermostat, and it's coming. It's going to the heater here. And anyway, if you need, you can take the picture. Otherwise, you will get a mistake. I remove already here. Okay, the thermistor also I remove. This is thermal fuse. This thermal fuse also I remove. Now it is easily we can take it out. We have to remove this one number 8. I can use number 8 to T. Yes, I already remove here also one. Only two nuts we have to remove. After that we can take steam. Now it's okay. Now we can take it out. Now see, it's easy. Now here this all the screws we have to remove. This one is Allen type. Not we cannot use. This one number 8. You can remove here. Now finish. You can open this one. Yes, you can see the heater here. It is already gone. Sure. Now we have to remove this one. Also heater nut. This is 18 number. Now I already removed the two nuts. Now we can take it out. Here this is the heater. I already order another heater. This one little bit different, but we can fix this one here. You can see. Now I'm going to fix this one, and we will check. Now we can fix like that. No any problem. You can see it's like that. Same 1500 watt. This heater we can fix here. No issue. Now we have to tie it back to these two screws nut. After that we will check whether it's working or not. It should work actually, because this heater having problem. This one already gone while heating time is short. Showing ground. That's mean it's dripping power breaker. Now that's why I'm going to replace this one. Anyway, we will replace and check. Tight these two screws. These two nuts we have to tie it properly. Otherwise, it's chance to water leakage. We have to tight properly this one. Now it's okay. Now okay. Now we have to close this one properly. We have to tight all the screws properly. Now we will tight all the now it's not tight with the body. Now we will fix the body. Fix, we have to fix this way. And be careful, we have to do this job. The harness and thermostat, everything we have to fix properly. Now it's okay. Now I have to tight these two nuts. Now I have to tight this one properly. Now we will tight that one also. Now we will give the power connection. And here also this one comes to here. See the line. Also this one also hit the line. And this is thermal fuse. It should come thermal fuse here down. Like that. Now I already given connection. Now before fixing we will check one. Now we can keep upside down, no problem. Now we can fill up the water and we will check once working or not. We have also fixed this one. I have to fix here other ring also, but now I'm going to check. Yeah, it's okay. Now I have to fill up the water here. Now I'm filling water, and after that we can check whether stream are making or not. Now you can see the water level here showing 1.9 liters, 2 quarts, 3 quarters, and 2.8 liters. Like that, is showing the water consumption here. And here we have to fill up more water here at least. Anyway, we will check after checking. We will fill and we will check again. Now I already given power connection. Also we can check now. Now you can check here. I selected only the, this is standby, this is, this one standby, and this is off. Here this one standby, this is steam. Now heater should run, heater should work. Now finally I can refix everything, bottom cover and everything. Now it is making stream, the heater, everything is working fine. My job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video shortly.